We have his store display cabinet, came from local hardware. Actually comes with the knives you see. I'll do a video you can see a little better. Wish I could do more than 12 pictures on this, but this will work. This is some of the Uncle Henry's. Still have the price tags on most of these. All the knives are unused. You can see you did use marker on these, which kind of sucks, but is what it is. I just noticed this. It's a little pulled out right there in the corner. Not terrible, but again, old timers. 180T, 330, 340. What I thought was so awesome about this is you can collect the knives you need to fill this thing up, but you already got a good start. So there's a little writing right there in pen too. If you can see that too well, but it's kind of small right there to knife. 08243 is on there. So the tradesman side, these are all gone. They must have sold all these. And again, they did mark out the prices at the bottom and even some of the names. But I'll show you that, and you can actually probably replace these. I don't know if you can find them, but the Century side, you're done. You got the full collection here. Again, marked out. Does come with a key. And you got up here. And you got a nice storage here for your other knives. As I was saying, these do come out. The only other thing wrong with it is the screws are stripped out. I was gonna drill it out and put dowel rod in it and re-drill it, but I know you guys are handy. It's not the end of the world to leave it the way it is, but if you wanted it back to the original condition, you could do that. And as you can see, it does rotate. If I don't get a reasonable offer on it, it'll probably go to auction at some point. So if you want this item, you'll get an email when it goes up for auction.